Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jonathan and I'm with the culinary team at the Disneyland Resort. We know a lot of you are spending extra time at home these days, which is why I'm coming to you from my home kitchen. We want to bring you a fun experience to share together in your kitchen, a taste of our culinary arts program that we present through our youth education series. And with so many of you getting creative with food, we'd love to share one of the special dishes that our students get to learn with us. It's the PB&J roll that we make at the Lamplight Lounge at Disney California Adventure. And it's an example of how we bring Disney stories to life through everything we do. So let's get inspired with lunch, the Disney way. I have all the ingredients I need here: peanut butter, jelly, and sliced bread. So let's get going. The first step to making the PB&J rolls is going to be to wash your hands. It's so important when preparing food to have clean hands so you're not spreading germs. I've already gone ahead and done that, so I'm going to get going on the second step. And that's going to be to cut the crust off of some slices of bread. Most kids don't like crust, my daughter Lily being the prime example. I probably wouldn't trust my daughter with this part, but the next few steps are definitely family friendly. So I've got the crust cut off, and now I'm going to take the rolling pin and flatten out my bread. If I didn't do this, the bread would be a little too thick and it wouldn't bind or kind of create a roll and it would fall apart. So I have my flattened bread. I'm going to get some peanut butter and I'm going to spread it around. So now we got plenty of peanut butter on there, and we are going to take the rolls and we are just going to start rolling them up. So now I have my two rolls that need to be cut. Cut them in half and then in half again. Do that 2 times. So I know we keep saying PB&J rolls, but all you've seen is peanut butter. Well, the jelly comes in as we're plating. So I'm going to put my peanut butter rolls on the plate. Again, this could be a fun opportunity. Make a caterpillar, make any creations. So the jelly we're going to have in a zip top bag. If it's a little thick and won't be runny or drizzle out, add a little warm water, mix it up, and help the flow a bit. I've already done that with mine. I already cut the tip, so I kind of have my pastry bag, and I'm going to garnish the peanut butter rolls and make them PB&J rolls. And just like that, you have your PB&J rolls from Lamplight Lounge. Enjoy! So what could have been an ordinary meal is now extraordinary. Thanks for joining me today. You just became honorary at-home Disney chefs. We hope to see you in the parks real soon. Bye-bye.